Hi, I'm Jade Russell, Executive Vice President of the Vanity Division at Electric Mirror. I'm here on site with our team in Vietnam. EM partners with multiple manufacturing facilities here in Vietnam, each designed to deliver quality and precision, each set to meet the exact standards for our clients. This facility can produce over 30,000 square feet of quartz per month. With advanced technology, consistency, and precision, we can deliver across all projects. Whether it's a boutique hotel or a large-scale project, our quartz capabilities are built to scale, ensuring reliability, flexibility, and standout results. Our vanity-based production is housed in a facility spanning over 130,000 square feet. At Electric Mirror, we emphasize craftsmanship and versatility, offering a wide range of finishing capabilities across both wood and metal. Each vanity is built using durable materials and engineered to meet the highest standards of quality and performance. From classic styles to modern designs, our production is equipped to support a variety of project needs with consistency and service. From quartz to wood to metal, our production capabilities are built to support your vision.